What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN ticker symbol.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that this asset for now becomes more and more risky. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, and I've told you that I missed the last leg to the upside, but it is totally okay, because you will never catch the real bottom and the real top. You will have only a certain amount of profits somewhere inside the movement. And I have to say that I nailed this movement to the upside from roughly from this range to this price point, and it is about 68.86% of potential profits. And I have to say that it is more than enough to catch this type of trades. So, what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you their official website. They posted this article on March 21st, and it says WCCF Tech. With gains of over 300% during the past month, Mullen Automotive is now being built as the next Tesla killer by a devoted band of retail investors. And let me show you this article. It is a quite interesting article, I have to say. At the beginning of this article is stated that it has a huge movement to the upside. Then it has a huge potential. But all in all, the main concern of this article is right here, and it doesn't have enough information that this asset is very risky. And definitely on the official website of this company they will not place the link that leads to some negative article, and definitely this article is quite positive. So let me show you another article that was published on Investor Place, and it was published just 4 hours ago, and it's titled "Avoid Mullen Automotive as it faces serious cash problems." And let me quote you this. Why you should stay clear of Mullen stock? For one, it only has $360 in cash on its balance sheet, which seems off. That's $360, not $360,000 or $360 million. This is strange, since the company went public in November 2021. Apparently, it didn't really raise any cash in its reverse merger initial public offering. And let me show you the official statement that is published on sec.gov website. And this is the Mullen Automotive condensed consolidated balance sheet. And on December 31st, 2021, they have $360. And they have restricted cash of $61,100. And this amount of money is nothing else but their reservation fee of $100 that was made on Los Angeles car show in 2021, in November of 2021. And definitely they cannot count on this money as well, and it is a ridiculous amount of money. And that is why the main concern of this article that they don't have enough cash to operate, and they have to raise a lot of money to start their production. And for this case, they have basically 2 options: to borrow this money, and this will be a huge bearish pressure on their balance sheet, or in other case, they can collect this money by diluting their existing shareholders. And definitely it is the most prominent way for the company, but it is the worst for the existing shareholders. And definitely that is why you should be very cautious with this company. And the only reason why this stock moved more than 300% during last month is the support from retail community. And let me show you that for now on appwisdom.io this asset is on the 6th place, and it lost about 2 rows, and it has only 200 mentions. And definitely previously it was on the 1st and 2nd place, and for now this asset is losing its momentum, as you can see right here. And on stocktweets.com community, on the watchers section, this asset is on the 8th place, and on the most active section it is on the 3rd place for now, and it also losing its momentum. This means without any positive news from the fundamental standpoint, and I think we won't see it for now, because we all know that their first car will hit the roads not earlier than 2024, and definitely until this happens, the price of this company will not be affected from the fundamental standpoint in a massive way, and definitely that's why you have to be cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that I am still bearish on this stock, and on my previous video I've told you that I can see multiple bearish signs on the price action, and I can see multiple bearish signs from the fundamental standpoint. But some of my viewers just told me that I'm fool and I don't know nothing about this company, and this company is perfect from the investor standpoint, and so on and so forth. But I have to say that I still stand on my position, and from this range, as you can see, we have this type of consolidation phase at rather high levels of $3. And some of you might think that we have this symmetrical triangle. And for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you know that these triangles happens in the third wave, and technically we are in the third wave. In one case, we might have, let me show you, we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one, and this might be the fourth. And in this case, we have to hit higher targets with the fifth wave. But on the other hand, let me delete this breakdown, we might have this movement to the upside as ABC correction. And for those of you who don't know, ABC correction 100% corresponds with the first, second and third waves of the impulsive movement if the A wave has the shape of a 5-wave structure, and it has it. And that is why we have for this, we might have this as our A wave, this might be our B wave, and this entire wave might be the C wave. And this retracement, let me switch to daily time frame, and I showed you this in my previous video. This retracement is nothing else but the retracement from this swing high to this swing low, and we hit the range of 0.236. Let me show you again more thoroughly on an hourly time frame. We hit this range, this red line, and it is the first range of resistance which we might hit in our movement to the upside for the retracement. And technically for now we might have this as our symmetrical triangle. Or let me switch to 30 minutes time frame and let me show you this movement more thoroughly. We might have this as our bearish flag. And if I clone this line right here, we have these two lines that connect all the tops and all the bottoms except this 1 week. And this is the bearish flag. And the next price target that we might hit according to this pattern is the length of this movement. And from this range we might have the price target of roughly $1.68, and it will hit the range of golden pocket, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And right here we might have again one more leg to the upside, and in best case scenario we might hit some high targets, even $4 mark again. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium